started by a lady named Nancy Bolden 17 years ago. The church decided that there was something that we could do as a community outreach, and we decided that our church would host this Thanksgiving dinner. We don't ask for donations.
Well, of course, somebody has to deliver some of these meals to people that are incapacitated and can't get out, and that's the job of several of us here today.
Hello.
Probably served, 350, probably 400 people today. It was busier than it has been in the past. It was busier than last year.
You know.
Yes.
Yes.
What brought me here is the action of giving thanks for everything that we have, and for the nice meal and company.
We try to get everything organized, get the help ready, and then everybody else just kicks in and helps us make it go.
I think it was well put together. I think the people were exceedingly friendly, very outgoing, very enjoyable afternoon.
I don't know that I want to mince pie. You like mince?
Put them in a Dutch oven and boil the tar out.
I think it went really, really well. We had some good organizers, somebody that took the bull by the horns and got this ball rolling into Woodward, Oklahoma.
It's amazing how many people show up. You think it isn't going to get done, but everyone pitches in and helps, and it all manages to pull together.